In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the fSpy add-on in Blender, a process that will enhance your 3D modeling experience significantly by easing camera matching. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner venturing into the world of 3D design, following these steps will get you up and running with fSpy in no time. Let's dive right in by heading over to the official fSpy Blender GitHub repository to download the add-on. Once you're there, look for the Releases link, and that's where you'll find the latest version of the fSpy zip file, something like fSpy Blender XYY zip. It's crucial to ensure that you download the zip file itself and avoid extracting it after downloading. Keeping the file in its zipped form is essential for the installation process, so don't unzip it. If you're working on a Mac and using Safari, a little tip here. Right-click on the download link instead of the usual left-click. Then select Download Linked File. This action will help you circumvent Safari's tendency to unzip files automatically, which we want to avoid in this case. Now that we've got the file, let's move on to installing the add-on in Blender. Start by opening up Blender and directing yourself to the Edit menu at the top. Within that menu, select Preferences to enter a new section dedicated to customizing Blender settings. Once inside Preferences, you'll find a menu on the left where you should click on the Add-ons tab. This section is where you'll manage all your add-ons, both installed and inbuilt. Once you're in the Add-ons tab, you'll notice a button labeled Install, often accompanied by a down-pointing arrow. Click it, and you'll see an option to Install from Disk. Select this, and a file browser window will appear. Navigate to the location where you previously saved the fSpy zip file and select it. With the file now selected, hit the Install Add-on button. Blender will do its thing in the background, integrating the fSpy functionality into your workflow. And there you have it. The fSpy add-on is now part of your Blender setup, ready to assist you with precision and ease as you match camera perspectives in your 3D models. Installing add-ons like fSpy can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but once you go through the process, you'll find it straightforward and rewarding. Remember, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference in your 3D modeling projects. Whether you're breathing life into an architectural scene or detailing an object model, fSpy will help match your virtual camera to real-life perspectives seamlessly.